When managing your iCloud storage, deleting old backups can be a crucial step to free up space and streamline your data management. Knowing how to delete iCloud backups ensures efficient storage usage and protects valuable data. Part 1. Why you need to delete backups from iCloud. Freeing up storage space. Managing your data efficiently. Optimizing iCloud performance. Preventing security risks. Part 2. How to delete backups on iCloud on iPhone, iPad. Open Settings. Tap your name. Select iCloud. Then tap Manage Storage. Under Storage, tap Backups. Choose the device's backup you want to delete. Tap Delete Backup at the bottom. Confirm by tapping Turn Off and Delete. Part 3. How to delete iCloud backup on Mac. Go to Apple menu. Select System Preferences. Click Apple ID within System Preferences. Press Manage next to iCloud Storage. Choose the Backups tab. Click the delete icon next to the backup to remove. Confirm with Delete. Part 4. How to delete old backups on iCloud from Windows PC. Click iCloud icon in taskbar. Choose Open iCloud Settings. Click Storage, select Backups. Choose and click Delete for each backup. Confirm deletion, repeat as needed for more space. Part 5. An alternative way to backup iPhone without iCloud. Mobikin Assistant for iOS provides users with the freedom to selectively backup their data, including items not typically supported by iTunes or iCloud. How to backup iPhone to computer via Assistant for iOS. Open the program, connect iPhone via USB, click Super Toolkit, choose iTunes Backup, and restore. In iTunes Backup Management, select Backup, choose iPhone, opt for Backup File S to default iTunes location, click OK to start the backup process. Backup iPhone data selectively. Use Assistant for iOS to select and backup data. Navigate left to choose data types, preview on the right, tick items to back up, and click Export to save to your computer.